Hello, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Elizabeth and today I'm bringing you one easy way to flavor your buttercream. And these days you see the social media raving about how easy it is to flavor buttercream with hazelnut or chocolate spread. So we're going to use our very own Amoretti hazelnut milk chocolate spread to flavor our American buttercream today. I'm going to show you how easy peasy it is. So we're going to start off with the basic American buttercream recipe. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to drop it in. You can use a hand mixer, but I'm going with a stand mixer today. Cream the butter to make it light and fluffy first. You should give ample time for this step because this is key to making a very airy, light and smooth buttercream. So that is one tip that you don't want to forget whenever making buttercream. That cream your butter for a solid 10-minute period because that is key when it comes to buttercream. So now the butter is creamed and done, and we're going to add in powdered sugar. So I'm going to go for 2 to 3 cups of powdered sugar depending on the consistency that I want. You want to always start slow and then raise the speed that you don't end up in a cloud of powdered sugar. So at this point, I would like to add 1 tablespoon of our vanilla bean artisan to give a little more pop of flavor to our buttercream. Now I'm going to drop in a pinch of salt and mix again. So now we're going to add the star of the show, the hazelnut milk chocolate spread. So I've given it a couple of seconds in the microwave. Look at that consistency. This is what we are looking for. It's 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave. So you can add according to taste, but I would like to do 2 to 3 tablespoons and then work with it first. So it's time to give it a little taste test and see how I like it. That really feels like hazelnut chocolate spread buttercream. I cannot wait to get this onto some cupcakes. So I'm going to bring a batch out and see how it looks piped onto cupcakes. So I have some pre-made cupcakes here. It's cooled down. It's good to go. And I have my hazelnut chocolate spread buttercream already in a piping bag. Let's pipe and see how this looks. It looks so pretty, and I just want to put on a little sprinkle of sprinkles. So here is a very yummy, easy way to incorporate flavor into your buttercream. So go for any of our chocolate spreads and it'll give you amazing flavor for your buttercreams. I love how this hazelnut milk chocolate spread buttercream turned out, and I cannot wait to taste it. Look at how yummy, creamy and delicious this buttercream turned out. So if you guys use this recipe and make chocolate spread flavored buttercream, leave us a comment below. Also, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can also tag us at Amoretti on our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and TikTok. Have a wonderful day and make some yummy creamy buttercream.